Hello everyone! Today is another day of planting seeds in our small backyard. In this small space, I am going to plant some root vegetables such as beets, carrots, and turnips. In this area, I'm planting beets as I learned a lot of recipe about beets and it's very healthy and nutritious. Over here, I'm going to plant a multicolor carrots. It is fun to have some colors in the garden and it is very nutritious and tasty as well. In this last section, I am going to plant turnips. I've never grown turnips before, so I am excited to see what happens. So I'm looking forward to see how it goes this year. Now, I'm going to cover it up with homemade compost. In this little area, I am going to plant some greens, which is kale, mixed lettuce, and another type of kale, which is, I forgot the name of it. Oh, I just remember. It was a lacinato kale. So I always add homemade compost on top of my seeds after I plant them. In this little space, there is an existing fence, so I am going to use it to grow and support my snow peas. In front of it, I am planting bush beans. In this little backyard, there is no space that is being wasted. Oh, I forgot. I have to plant my spinach too. So I found this two little area that I can place them. The spinach. Always remember, water your seeds after you plant them. Seeds germinate fast if the soil is moist. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do. Thank you so much. Bye.